We are about to see one of the biggest crashes in history. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now let's jump straight into the video. A lot of you guys that saw the title of this video and you saw the words biggest crash, the first thing that came to mind was crypto. Probably Terra Luna as well. But in today's video, I'll be talking about the biggest crash that's about to happen in the real estate market. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of real estate, and thanks to my rental properties, I was able to retire in my 20s. Now I have all the free time in the world to make YouTube videos, to travel, to pretty much do whatever I want. But over the last couple years, I have been watching the real estate bubble get bigger and bigger. Pretty much over the last 10 years, real estate has been going up and up and up. But the last 3 years, we have seen massive growth in real estate. This is due to a ton of different reasons. I personally believe that we have reached the top in this real estate bubble, and it is getting ready to pop big time. I believe over the next 6 to 12 months, we are going to see a major correction in real estate prices. In my opinion, we're at the very top right now. And if everything goes like I think it will, I believe the prices of real estate are going to drop big time, anywhere between 30 and 50%. This is a huge drop when it comes to real estate, but I believe it is in the works. I know a lot of people watching this video are not going to be happy about my real estate crash prediction, and they will tell you, but bro, there's no supply. There's not enough houses for everyone. And they will also tell you how the price of materials has jumped up big time and how COVID pretty much shut down everything and builders were not able to build. Now they're playing catch up and a bunch of other information. I personally believe that those points are part of the narrative to get the everyday person to purchase a house at these high prices. Right now, interest rates are skyrocketing and you'll be paying 5.5% for a regular 30-year mortgage, which is insane compared to 2-3 years ago where the interest rates were like 2.5%. And these interest rates are going to continue to rise even higher. I believe 6% 30-year mortgage is just around the corner, and possibly even 7% for a 30-year mortgage by the end of the year. The interest rates alone are pricing a lot of people out. Buyers that were able to buy a $200,000 house 2 years ago due to the low interest, they cannot buy their house right now simply because the interest rates are pricing them out. And once institutions start realizing that people are not spending as much, prices are going to come down big time. That is just one reason why I believe that we have reached the top in this real estate bubble. Crash is coming soon. But I'm not here to talk about the reasons or why I believe it will happen. I'm just here to let you guys know, get ready. If you plan on purchasing a house, if you plan on purchasing an AirBNB or a rental property, get ready. 6 months to 12 months, we are going to see a massive correction in my opinion. And personally, I'm stacking up on a lot of cash because I'll be buying real estate when it crashes. I will be taking some of my profits from crypto and I will be investing in real estate. The opportunity is coming. Make sure you're ready. One other thing that I want to mention before I end this video, do not listen to those real estate agents that are telling you the market is still hot. People are still buying. There's no correction in sight. We're going to the moon. They are just trying to earn a commission like everyone else. But do your own research. Be very cautious when purchasing real estate right now. Prices are high. Interest rates are going higher. Refinancing is at all-time lows. People are not willing to refinance their 2% mortgage for a 6% mortgage. Guys, the crash is coming. Get ready. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be making a lot more videos on real estate, showing you guys when I'm buying, how I'm buying, and all of that important information. So if you plan on getting into real estate, smash that like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Obviously, not financial advice. Peace out.